we're going to look at one method of getting rid of slugs using nematodes.
So we're going to give Nemoslug a try. It does actually say it's supposed to be an organic gardening product, so hopefully this will work and these little critters will eat all my slugs. Right, basically what you do is you require a bucket that will take 10 litres of liquid, or 10 litres of water basically, so which is what we're going to do, and you empty the entire contents of your nematodes into this bucket. Stir very vigorously, and then what you do is transfer, well, we're going to do a litre of this mixture into a 10 litre watering can, and then fill it up with 10 litres of water. Or you can do half a litre and use just a 5 litre watering can. So I'm just getting the nematodes out of the fridge. So we're just going to put them into the water. Make sure they all come out. Give it a good stir. Then we take a litre of this liquid, put it in a watering can, and then fill it up to the fill it up basically, because this is a 10 litre watering can, and then administer it. All you got. This should keep it clear of slugs for 6 weeks. The slugs should die below ground between 4 and 21 days. Remember to keep stirring it because they do settle at the bottom. Hopefully that should get rid of them all.